Hey guys, how's it going? Sora AI, how could you use it? So first of all, let's identify or let's start with getting to know the OpenAI's new feature, which is called Sora AI. And Sora AI represent a groundbreaking advancement in the field of artificial intelligence, specifically in the realm of video generation. Sora is an AI model capable of creating realistic and imaginative video scenes from mere text instructions. This model is designed to understand and interact with the real world, aiming to assist in solving complex problems that require an understanding of the real world dynamic, right? So, how does Sora AI actually work? Sora AI is built on the diffusion model, which begins with a video that resembles a static noise and gradually refines it by removing the noise over many steps. This model can generate entire video in one go or extended existing videos to make them longer. By processing many frames at once, Sora ensures that subjects remain consistent even when temporarily out of view. Utilizing transformer architecture similar to GPT models, Sora achieves a superior scaling performance. It treats videos and images as a collection of a smaller data units called patches. Comparable to tokens in GPT models, this unified data representation allows Sora to train on a wide array of visual data, encompassing various durations, resolutions, and aspect ratios. And building on the foundation of the DAL AI DAL E or DALI and GPT models, Sora employs the recaptioning technique from DALI 3 to generate highly descriptive captions for visual training data. Consequently, the model can more faithfully follow users' text instructions in the generated videos, right? So can you actually use an actual case in real life? The potential application of Sora span across numerous fields, offering transformative possibilities for filmmakers, visual artists, and designers. Sora opens up new avenues for creativity and imagine generating a storyboard, visuals, or short film sequence directly from a script, significantly reducing the time and resources needed for conceptualizing and pre-production. And you can use it for education and training. Sora can create detailed educational content such as historical reenactments or scientific simulations, and making learning more engaging and visually immersive. And you can use it for advertising and marketing. Brands can leverage Sora to produce eye-catching video content for marketing campaigns based on textual descriptions alone, enabling faster turnaround times and creative experimentation, right? And you can use it as well for gaming and visual reality. Developers can use Sora to generate dynamic backgrounds, character interactions, or even entire cutscenes, enhancing the storytelling aspect of the video game and VR experiences. Whether you are a filmmaker looking to visualize your next screenplay, an educator aiming to bring a history to life, or a marketer seeking to innovate content creation tools, Sora promises to be a game changer in the way we conceive and produce a video content. And basically, it is amazing feature that have been developed by OpenAI, and there's some common misconception about about Sora AI, and the Sora AI is impressive, and it's crucial to address potential concerns, accuracy, and realism. Despite its advanced technology, Sora may not always be perfect, simulate real-world physics or specific details. Ongoing improvements and feedback from early users, such as visual artists and filmmakers, are vital for enhancing its accuracy. And you have the another concern, which is the safety measures. To mitigate risk like misinformation or harmful content, safety steps are in place, including adversarial testing by red teamers and the development of detection tools to identify Sora generated content. So if you want to use or experience Sora AI, you're gonna be able to get to know it now since you already knew it. But for me, as you can see right now, you will be able to actually, how can I say, to actually read or sorry to apply that because it is new right now. So you need a little bit time until the Sora AI fully be for the public. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.